Once you've purled over the correct number of stitches, knit the 2 leg stitches together. All of the next stitches are going to go into this one stitch. We're going to knit in the front of the stitch, the back of the stitch, the front of the stitch, the back of the stitch, the front of the stitch, the back of the stitch again, and that is the start of our bobble 6 stitch. Now we're going to work only over these 6 stitches, and you're going to flip your work. Purl in each of these 6 stitches. Once again, flip your work, and now we're going to knit on the right side into these 6 stitches. Flip your work again and purl the 6 stitches. Flip your work back to the right side and knit the 6 stitches. Flip to the wrong side and purl the 6 stitches. Now back to the right side, but this time we're going to knit 2 together 3 times over the 6 stitches. The 6 stitches are now down to 3 stitches. With your non-working needle, pick up the middle stitch and pass it over the end stitch like this. Pick up the next stitch and pass that one over also. You're now down to 1 stitch again for your bobble 6. Knit the 2 leg stitches together on the other side and begin purling again. Depending on whether you're making the left or the right hand, the instructions on this side will vary. This is what your spider body and back legs will look like on the right side. The next row's how-to is coming up next.